How to transfer money from Tonkeeper to your Bybit. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, let's start by opening up our Bybit. And if you want to transfer like USDT or Toncoin into your Bybit, so what you need to do is to simply search for, or you can click on assets on the bottom right and then click on the deposit. Now once you click on deposit, you will have the option of deposit crypto on the bottom of your screen. Now what you need to do is to simply search for USDT and go for the first one, and then we have the option of selecting our chain type. So simply select Ton as for now and simply copy your wallet address. Then open up your Tonkeeper, and what you need to do is to simply click on Toncoin and then click on send button. Enter the recipient wallet address and then make sure to go back to your Bybit and copy your tag, which is memo or destination tag, and paste it just like so. Then click on continue, and then you're gonna need to enter the amount that you want to go with. Then click on continue on the bottom, but make sure to always do a test try, like $5 or $10, like in this case 1 Toncoin. You're gonna need to send it into your Bybit account, and once you have received it into your Bybit account, what you need to do is to then go with the larger amount, like $100 or $200 worth of Toncoin, and you will gonna receive into your Bybit just like that. Hope this helped. This is how you can transfer money from Tonkeeper to your Bybit.